Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for navigating the digital world. In today's video, we'll be discussing a comprehensive guide on how to find and search for groups in WhatsApp. Whether you're looking for a community of like-minded individuals or a group to share your interests with, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Just simply go to findgroups.net. The first step is simple. Open your web browser and head over to findgroups.net. This website serves as a one-stop destination for finding a plethora of WhatsApp groups. It's a convenient platform that provides links to various groups based on different categories and interests. Once you're on the website, you'll find a user-friendly interface that allows you to explore a wide range of categories such as cryptocurrency, gamers, language, travelers, sports, and much more. Simply click on the category that resonates with your interests. As you browse through the categories, you'll come across a diverse selection of WhatsApp groups. Each group has a brief description, giving you an idea of what the group is all about. Take your time to explore the options and find the perfect fit for you. The website is regularly updated with new groups, ensuring that you'll always discover fresh communities to join. Whether you're passionate about technology, music, fashion, or any other topic, you'll find a group that aligns with your interests. It's important to note that while findgroups.net provides links to WhatsApp groups, the website itself does not control or take responsibility for the privacy practices or content within these groups. As always, exercise caution and adhere to WhatsApp's community guidelines when participating in any group. So there you have it, a full guide on how to find and search for groups in WhatsApp. Findgroups.net simplifies the process by offering a wide range of group options, making it easier than ever to connect with like-minded individuals. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We value your feedback, so feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and happy group hunting. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips. Until next time.